Lines A through D on the plot represent the 4 linear functions listed below. Identify which function is represented by line C. And let's start by identifying which one line C is. Line C is this graph. And that graph has a y-intercept of -5. So our y-intercept, or our b, is equal to -5. And the easiest way to figure out which one of these equations has a y-intercept of -5 is to substitute in 0 anywhere that we see an x. So let's start with this first equation here, y plus 2.5x plus 3 equals 0, and substitute in 0 for x. Y plus 2.5 times 0 plus 3 equals 0. Anything times 0 is 0, so that completely cancels, leaving us with y plus 3 equals 0. Now I know I have to do operations to, opposite operations to isolate y, but subtracting 3 from 0 is not going to give me -5. So I can go ahead and abandon this equation and start working on another one. Answer choice A is incorrect. Let's do the next one. 7, instead of x, it would be times 0 plus 6 equals -2y. Anything times 0 is 0, that'll just cancel out. So we're left with 6 equals -2y. -2 is being multiplied to y, so we need to divide both sides by -2. And again, I can already see 6 divided by -2 is not going to give me -5, so I'm going to abandon this equation as well and go back and try the next one. The next one, -x, we would put 0 instead of x, minus 2 equals 2y over 5. -0 is just going to be 0, that cancels out. -2 equals 2y over 5. Y is being divided by 5, so let's multiply opposite operations to both sides of the equation. These will cancel. 5 times -2 gives us -10 equals 2y is what's left on the right-hand side. And then 2 is being multiplied to y, so we need to divide opposite operations, both sides by 2. And that will leave us with -10 divided by 2, which is -5. And that means C is our correct answer.